How to add picture in frame Canva. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add picture in frame in Canva. So it's a step-by-step beginner's guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's get right into it. So first, we just need to open our browser and simply sign into our Canva account. So once you've signed into Canva, you can simply scroll down and then you can make use of A4 document. So here, when you click on A4 document, you will be routed in another page. So here we have an untitled design. The next thing that we're going to do is that here in the left-hand side, we can actually see elements. Now, for example, you're going to make use of a picture. So say, for example, this dog element. What we're going to do is we're going to put the dog element into a frame. So to do that, what we're going to do next is we are going to go to edit image here in the upper corner. And then you can actually see their smart mockups. So when you click on see all, there you can see different kinds of frames, not only mockups. So for example, you want to make use of the frame number 4. You just need to click on it and then it will be here in your page. And as you can see, the dog is inside the frame already. So that's how you add a picture in a frame. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you find this video helpful and thank you so much for watching.